Hi there, this is Sonia from Your Vegan Guide, and today I'm going to talk about disposing of your old prescription and over-the-counter medications responsibly. It's not something I hear about often in the vegan community, but I think it should be talked about. The reason is because as you move towards a plant-based diet full of fruits and vegetables and healthy starches and good vegan food, one thing that you'll find is that your health gets a heck of a lot better. But most of us, from our previous way of living, have had, medical issues, and as a result may have like a whole bunch of old prescription drugs. And so what do you do in that case? Do you just keep them around the house just in case? Do you throw them in the trash, flush them down the toilet? Well, really think about it. These are very potent drugs that can really pollute the environment or cause a health hazard at home. If you have kids, for example, what if they get into the medication, or if you have pets, that isn't good. You really shouldn't flush that stuff down the toilet because it can cause a lot of environmental damage. So what's certainly been more increasingly popular in the United States is community efforts to take back the drugs and the prescriptions and the over-the-counter stuff and even pet medications and dispose of them responsibly. So a couple of weeks ago, I actually gathered up some of my old stuff, both over-the-counter and old prescription stuff, as well as an inhaler that I have absolutely no need for now because I have absolutely no respiratory problems since I'm not eating meat and dairy and I'm eating a lot of fruits and vegetables. And I dumped it off at a med drop site, which is usually in a police station. So what I encourage you to do is to really go through your house and gather all that stuff and get rid of it. And if your health isn't to the point yet where you're off your prescription medications, etc., let this be a motivation to you. Imagine yourself gathering up all your old prescription drugs and any related paraphernalia and dumping it off at your local medication drop-off site. And I certainly encourage you to just do a little research and Google where that might be in your community. And if not, if you don't have any kind of med drop type site, still Google it, because there are guidelines out there for how to throw the medications in the trash responsibly. There's really specific things that you can do to make sure that you're not throwing it in the trash in such a way that somebody might scavenger through your stuff and get an inhaler, and those things actually have some street value because kids use them to get high, or that you're not doing some environmental damage. So that's the message for today, and thank you for watching. Bye.